Hello, good morning everyone. Hello, you go are there today. We live streaming at Daily Korean News channel. Me and Andrea. I have Andrea here. She will tell us about JBS. The Niaini, but live with our Daily Korean News channel. Andrea Katebya Bakawala JBS agree, okay? Andrea, can you tell us about JBS?
Yeah.
Where the company located and what we do there? What you guys do?
So JBS, we have JBS nationwide and worldwide. Our facility is in Worthington, Minnesota. We're a pork processing plant. We kill about 22,000 hogs a day. We have first shift and second shift in production. We are a union plant. It starts at $20 an hour to $26 an hour with a dollar differential after 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Also, we are always hiring for production, for general production maintenance as well. So if you're in the area in Worthington, Minnesota, or here in Fort Worth, Texas, or anywhere in the United States and trying to move to Minnesota, we're always hiring.
Okay. Away ni no JBS company ni la tika dobe no nationwide the usiko la Worthington Minnesota ke ni we pehe la Worthington Minnesota no bloody ni tapita mani ke wera thonya yo phe ni no tanari ni pehe wera dollar kisi mimi wera la second shift ni kunari sumenya ni pehe wera kisi the dollar no whether first shift, the second shift, no, dito waka the hakodi the tapita matini no ma the libuni ni ba actor ni when toba do it at the kitchen dollar do the nita leta ma poko putani the niya yodi ni pehela when you forward Texas. So Andrea, can you tell me today why we are in forward Texas?
We actually have a career fair. In here in Fort Worth, it is at Ayla Fort Worth Downtown Hotel, 334 West Street, from 9:30 to 12:30 p.m. on Tuesday, March 15th. So if you're wanting to join us and learn more in depth, and that way we can have a one-to-one conversations, please meet us there at the hotel. We can give you as much information about our plant, what we do, what we offer, all of our benefits, our relocation packages as well. So yeah, come join us at the career fair, or if Mumu, please let her know. We can stop by and talk to you. Whatever's easier for you guys. You guys can also call the plant in Worthington, Minnesota. We can certainly assist you with any questions that you may have.
The niya ini pehewe dala forward Texas no pehewe dala career fair no career fair talo ni no yekwela dala pala pay no address ni a law forward downtown hotel 334 West 3rd Street, Forward, Texas 76102. Akewada Hotel no do tamada Korea Fair Sitane company hewada do do daughter dona lekuti nyawada company tapita mawi klo nime bata de na toro eda ti kutani tamila na leda na batoro ba na lekuti nyadi ni de mi chai de na toro kutani no pehewada la pei Korea Fair ni kami wada la mikini no kewada la lama sha tichi ya to kiro kisiki goko queenary call do it alert to see kinary call. So Andrea, since we came from like Minnesota, do you guys offer like relocation?
Of course, yes, we do. We're able to help you and assist you with relocation packages, depending on where you are, how far you are from the plant. If you're here from Fort Worth, we do have a sign-on bonus of $1,000. Also, we help you with housing, first month, and the deposit and rent, and then we can help you with the moving. If you're wanting to go by yourself, that's certainly it. And then if you want to take your family, we can always come back and help assist with your whole family moving to Minnesota as well.
The offer a relocation assistance no relocation assistance sitani no the company ula Minnesota bu mya no kutani the me do le pyaw la when ni Worthington no when ni address no when ni we penny hodi ni na sekla kwa ne sekla bwa blo di ni pakama chana la ne kale pyaw no ne lo ba hi kho dim da ti ku khu ni na do awete ram ka sign up bonus ta ka tho si ta ni no ne mi le mara phe ni no ne mi le ne lo ta ma wi ya di ni ne mi sa ro ma phe ni ni pwa hi na bonus no thelo la ne le sa ro mara ni pwa hi na ta mo do relocation ni no di to la ni shi le ta la go di mi ri pe hi che we da do do ta ni ta la no ta lo so pho ko di to ne me ba he la kle ta la bu la si la hi po ko po di ni te ho di ni ba ma se si ko we da di to na pa kha ni receipt te ta ti ko ni no we ni me da relocation package la po offer we da do phone no gi u si ko da phe yi awe ni employment phone number ni me ka le ma da la JBS ni ne se kla we da phone no gi la me da ye wan nui ta nui ki khu ta khu no awe ni ke da employment office do ni me lo ba lo pa ka nyo klo ho di ni ne se kla ya ti ye ma da la JBS si ko so do you want to tell them about the community liaison team that we have there that we help with?
Yeah, of course. Part of the relocation, you get to spend a lot of time with our community liaisons. That way, they can show you the community of Worthington. If you have children, if you need to sign them up for school, they can help you assist with all of that as well, as well as like showing you around town, where the necessities are, and also you can tell them about how. She's our I'm so apologize, community liaison manager. She's able to oversee all of the assistance with community and employee engagement as well.
The la company ne po wera community liaison team no sita ni tami tha ba da ga ba la kama che ra di to ta tu lo tu kle ni no po wera team la ma che ra do ni mi le pyaw phe phe ni no lo ba khu hi khu kho mi gi ne ka salon phu mi la cho a no mi wi ni ta sai lo u la phe le no khu ti nya da la when ni pa to wo bu ta lu ti ni community liaison team ma se wera khu ta ni no pe edu te pya ti ta phi ra ma ta khwe da ya we ni no ni mi edu o wera la no when you which do you want to tell them a little bit about like Worthington town like community there?
So it's a small community. It is way smaller than Fort Worth, Texas. We have a community about 13 to 15,000 people there. We have great schools as well. The community is very diverse as well too. We have different celebrations going around town as well. It is a little cold during winter, but nothing that it's unbearable. We have a nice, very beautiful Lake Ocabina, and we have International Festival in July. So yeah, if you're looking to move, wanting something smaller for your family, it's a great place to raise children, great schools. Certainly JBS work never ends. We're always hiring. There's always work. We're wanting to help feed the world. So join our team.
Do mungkin Andrea tepia baka Worthington we no pepe ni JBS company plan la kera Worthington we penny when you we downtown no dinity we to lo mira we po no we po sita ni no ta sheta lelo no ta muta rata kuta blanda di ni no to odito kubu we pu ba tu ta muta bo dim la di to odito lo no la kudu we do ba do community ni michi ba sa diversity ni o era po Asia o po hela Africa o po hela when ni South America community bu ni po kalu o era kalu no do when ni po kanyo sai pa yo sai di you sai di o sikolo kuta ni no to me edo le o la wi la chi no la kalu do no po la o era de khu khla gri di ni de mo no me edo le pyaw la we think de ni no JBS da we welcome to no blo ba da pa ma da pho tho bo lo no we ni me da tani nyai da te pya ti ni lo te ba ta pi no we da lo no when ni Korea fair de no la a love forward Downtown Hotel, 334 West 3rd Street, Fort Worth, Texas 76102. Date ni 03/15/2022. Ta sector ni Queenary call duedala mukhilo ta sikinary call no akeweda Korea fair mo no he kwa he ti kwa do da. Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you.
Tablet. Do you want to talk about them too? Okay, tapinor kala bakawera la benefit agani no behisi kawera pamata pusir phala le mata de wadito nimi mara poitho khula simenya ni nati no phula mi thoda college ni no college tuition la weni behiwera usiko no mi wini bonus agati usiko no akuta ni no အခုတည်းနော်ပကွယ်မဘတ်တီနော်လာအဝင်နေတာဖီတာမလောဖနေမနော် Okay တဘလကောကတဲ့ bye bye
Bye.